Why do more than 70% of people struggle with feeling like a fraud despite their achievements and success? It's because your brain was wired in childhood to protect your authentic self from pain, shame, and devaluing. Now, as an adult, you live from a well-developed, self-protective imposter persona, seeking approval and recognition. Now, your imposter persona hijacks your brain, telling you lies that were told to you in childhood, making you doubt your abilities despite clear evidence of your success. All because your brain is wired to protect you, inhibiting your ability to self-activate. Your brain's fear center, the amygdala, kicks into overdrive, triggering anxiety and self-doubt. This keeps you stuck in a cycle of telling yourself you feel like a fraud. This feeling comes from a deep belief that you aren't entitled to your gifts, your achievements, and unique abilities. And that's not all. Your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for rational thinking, doesn't develop because your brain is set to hypervigilance. It gets overwhelmed, making it hard to internalize your achievements. Your brain is literally wired to maintain this imposter persona identity. But here's the good news. You can rewire your brain and break free. By understanding the neurobiology behind imposter syndrome and the difference between the imposter persona and the authentic self, you can start to rewire those neural pathways. It's about nurturing your authentic self and rewriting the limiting beliefs that keep you small and safe, ready to reclaim your brain and potential. Dive into Become Who You Are Meant to Be in Your Personal Life by Dr. Anne Dranitsaris, available on Amazon. Say goodbye to your imposter persona and hello to your exquisite, authentic self.